Image creator. Introducing Nano Banana AI plus Gemini Flash, the revolutionary cloud-based app that lets you create, edit, and sell professional quality images instantly, with no Photoshop skills required. Forget monthly fees and complicated prompt engineering. With just one sentence, Nano Banana generates flawless, studio-grade images in 1 to 2 seconds. Change styles, backgrounds, or even faces, all in plain English. Thanks to its identity lock technology, your characters and objects stay consistent across every image. Enjoy unlimited image creation with top premium models like Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and more, all in one dashboard, with zero usage caps or hidden fees. Need more? Batch mode lets you produce up to 100 consistent images at once. Export in any style or up to 8K resolution, watermark-free with full commercial rights. Everything you make is 100% yours to use, share, or sell. Perfect for everyone, from students and marketers to complete beginners. No downloads, no learning curve. Log in from any device and get started. Act now to access bonus AI masterclasses and commercial rights, all for a one-time price. Limited spots available. Nano Banana AI plus Gemini Flash. Create, edit, sell. Instantly. Don't miss out. Get instant access today.